Previously on RV-licious.
And this is what we like the best, of course. The whole place to ourselves.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Hop in, babe, we're going.
Woohoo!
Well, you know, friends from the Netherlands used to have a house left into the mountains. Got an old RV called Penelope. She's a 1983. Well, you know, friends from the Netherlands, bad up Penelope. Pen loves taking pictures and patterns of design. Penelope loves driving till the end of time. RV-licious, if you like a vibe, please subscribe, please subscribe. We're in Westerbork. The estate had Timmerholt.
Yep.
And they do have a lot of chalets, houses,
Yes.
and they're pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
And as you can see, there's a big lake. So all lake houses.
Yep.
Really nice.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I'm happy because we were in the middle of moving a domain name for a client. You know who you are.
Mm-hmm.
And it took a bit longer than expected.
Mm-hmm.
And the current provider, he had to just confirm the move. And he missed the message that he had to confirm it. So it was like a lot of back and forth. But after almost a week, it should take 24 hours. After almost a week, we got the job done. And hopefully another happy customer.
Yep.
The happy dance.
The happy dance.
The happy dance.
The dance of joy.
How Petra and I met. I went to the the human shelter.
Pick me.
I'll pick this one. I'll pick this one.
Yes. You're my new boss.
I'm your new owner. Mm. We're at the beach.
There it is.
We're at Butterfly Beach.
Butterfly Beach. Let's take it down.
A lot of lake houses. Nice place.
Dickies over there.
And there's the other part.
Mm.
It's a huge lake.
Mm-hmm.
Some houses are for sale. Are you shooting the lake?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I'm shooting the lake. Mm.
almost 1 in the afternoon. We're at the estate at Timmerholt in Westerbork. Apart from that, the showers and toilets are closed off in the winter. It's a very nice place to be at. We've been here all alone for 2 days. And as you can see, we're still the only ones here. And today we're going back to Emmen. And on Sunday, we're going to stay there until Sunday, when we're going to meet up with Herman and Gea, because I made them a new website, and I'm going to show it to them. And Petra will hopefully meet.
Petunia!
Who's Petunia?
The What's Up Duck. The
Yeah.
What's Up Duck in the storage units.
Yes, that's where the duck lives, in storage units, or nearby. And Herman and Gea said it hangs around there a lot, so
Bring some more bread.
we're bringing bread.
We're bringing bread. So.
Yes, Petunia will have a nice Thanksgiving, not being eaten, but getting treats. First time, but spontaneously. We arrived at the Emmen Campersport, and who's there? Our buddies, Herman and Gea. There you go.
Wow, that was a
very-
pleasant surprise.
Very pleasant. A very warm surprise too,
Yeah,
because they came bearing gifts.
yeah. Our Christmas present.
A Christmas present, yes.
Sinterklaas.
We got a Christmas present.
Yes.
Look,
It's a heater.
it's a gas heater.
It took 11 months, but we finally met Herman and Gia spontaneously.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Oh, let's try out our Christmas present.
Ooh.
We've opened the hatch.
Open it.
Open.
Peekaboo.
And now, how do we turn it on? We're not going to leave it on the plastic, of course,
No, it's not smart.
but just for
For demonstrational purpose.
demonstration only. How are you going to handle? How did Herman teach you?
Yes. Well, first we put in a canister
Canister.
filled with butane gas.
Until you heard the clicking.
Clicking, yes.
Alright.
We have to lock the bottle in its place, position, like so.
Alright.
Put the handle down, and with this knob you turn it on and off.
Uh-huh. So, before we turn it on and off, we're putting it on the floor.
Yeah. Close this one. We put it over here against the other heater. Put this one back.
Mhm.
So, then you turn the knob on. Watch out for the things, and then you go. Oof.
Oof.
Well,
Wow.
this is the highest setting, but you don't have to do it that high. So, well, when it's inside, that's blue.
Maybe it first has to heat up a little bit. Ah, there it goes again.
Yeah.
Wow, I already feel it.
Oh, yes, it's.
Is this the
quite
highest
warm.
setting?
No, this is the middle setting,
Mhm.
and I'm gonna turn it on its lowest. Yeah, this is the lowest setting.
Ah, nice.
Then you get to heat.
Warm food.
Ooh. Warm feet.
Warm feet.
Nice. Yeah, and it doesn't even have to be on that long because it's a small space. Wow. Good.
Very cozy.
Very cozy.
Thank you, Herman and Gea.
Yeah.
This is the best Christmas present
Ever.
ever.
Thank you.
Petra loves to be warm.
Warm. Yes.
I mean, I have some natural body heat. Alright.
Insulation.
I always prepare for the winter.
Indeed.
Herman said if you put it in the highest position, if you have to heat a big room, then it takes about 3 hours of warmth.
Yep.
But if you put it in the
Low.
low position,
Maybe to work twice as long, probably. So, it's awesome. More than enough. Wow. I can take my coat off now.
oh, I can take my hat off. And it really must be getting hot in here.
It's getting hot in here. Nice. Comfy warmth.
Making it romantic tonight.
Oh.
And I'll show you guys what I'm cooking. I'm brewing up some rice along with the broccoli that you saw us buy the other day. And broccoli. No, I did everything, of course. Yes, I did put in every broccoli I could find. I chopped up a vegetarian hamburger.
Yes, you're welcome.
And this is the rice that we use. It's out of the bag into the pan rice. Pre-cooked lazy person rice. It only has to be in the pan for 3 minutes. So this is there. And some peanut sauce. Satay sauce. And that's all cooking up nicely. Because Petra wants a hot meal along with her hot boyfriend. Bon appetit, sweetie.
Thank you. It's excellent. Yeah, what's up, pet?
First time driving to the fog. November fog. Roundabout. In the fog. I'm driving into the fog, buddies.
cook for us?
I made potatoes with basil, sauce.
Mm.
Mm,
Kind of sauce.
I don't know.
Okay.
Sauce out of a jar,
Mm-hmm.
potatoes,
There.
and broccoli.
And chicken?
Rome sauce, Rome cream sauce,
Great sauce. Yeah.
sauce, potato sauce,
Mm.
and vegetarian chicken shawarma parts.
Mm. Mm, sounds delicious.
Mm.
Let's eat. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm.
Ah,
Mm.
ah,
Warmth.
warmth. Cozy.
Mm. Very cozy.
Good morning, buddy. This is a view. It's a morning view. And the view outside, as you can see, the windows are not frozen. Not even wet. And this is a camper buddy. We're not the only campers in end of November. And speaking of camper buddies, the reason that we're up this early, well, 8 o'clock. It was really early, of course, for us. But another camper buddy couple, they are probably up already for a few hours. And we're gonna meet them. They're 15 minutes away from here. We especially drove to this camp spot yesterday evening, so we could be closer to the spot today. In case we oversleep, let's just make sure we're within 15 minutes drive of where they are. And Petra's making coffee. Hello, Petra. Can you wave to the buddies?
Good morning.
So, I'm very excited to meet up with them. And yeah, then it's basically the other times that we met up, always Herman was the one working. And this time I'm the one working. I have to, like I said, we're going to transfer their website today, to the new website that I made. I'm also going to try to create the Patreon for them, the PayPal, if they don't have that yet. And what else? Was there anything else? Patreon, PayPal, website. Yeah. And Petunia, the duck. Petra has the coffee brewing. So we're all almost ready to go. So, do you make my lunch?
No, it's for the RV duck, if it's there.
It's for Petunia.
Or Petunia, yes.
Mm.
So, we'll see where it will come waddle our direction.
If I was a duck, I would sure
Waddle our
wobble out there. So the coffee is ready.
Yep.
Fashionably late again, because we drove away with the roof hatch open, so I had to find a spot to close that.